everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video today we have FabFitFun. One more time again, let's do this. Look at how beautiful is this box. I'm very excited about this one. I hope this one is much better than previous ones. So let's dive into this one today. Alright, we just opened this and this is how it comes inside. Wow, it looks very organized. Let's try this. This is the same message that they send every single time. It says you're gonna look gorgeous, love your looks, your $20 goes towards the price of any item you love. I already paid $20 for this to be sent to me. Return the rest. Drop off the prepaid envelope, which it should be in here, at any FedEx location. Back your bonus. Did you style or nail it? 25% off if you keep everything. So inside this we're going to have the prices also. I already think that we lipstick. So let's dive into this bag. Let's open it up. Wow, the first thing is a handbag. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at how beautiful is this thing. This is the first time that they sent me a handbag. And oh my god, it has this beautiful shape. I love it. Let's see how it is. So let me show you. This is the type of print cloth that it has inside. It has one compartment there, and it also has a long stripes. And also when you close it, it has on the back, it has a zipper here, and it has the same color. Let's see what else is in here. Wow, this is super pretty. It's a small, but it's not too small. And this is by which brand? Let me check that out. Madison West, Los Angeles. So if this is not a crazy price point, it should be fine. Okay, let's continue. The rest is here. And I don't see my prepaid bag in here. Or it's in the bottom. Okay. So wow, this is by the brand Hansel, and this is so much like Macy's. Like this time they nail it much better, unless it looks like a box, because I don't like anything that it looks like a box on my body. But this is just a beautiful blouse. I really like this. Again, the price will determine if I keep it. A couple of things that they have sent me in the past that I don't believe they are worth that much more money. But this looks very pretty, very classic. I love this one. Alright, this is the blouse, and I don't like how it looks like on me. I don't know, makes me look bigger than I actually am. It's too baggy and it's kind of like tight in my boobs. I don't like this blouse, unfortunately. I just don't like it. Wow, they sent me shorts. From what on earth they thought I would wear shorts? I don't know. Oh wow, surprise, it's a skirt. Definitely my buy. This is so pretty. Oh my god, is this thing watching my Instagram or my Facebook or something? It might be, because they sent me an email asking me if I wanted to get my Instagram or my Pinterest link to my FabFitFun account to have a better idea of what kind of products I like. But this is beautiful. This is by the brand Free People, my people. I really like this brand. It seems a little bit too big for me. I'm not so sure I'm gonna be this size, but I definitely like that product. Alright, so here's the skirt, and the skirt is size 31. I kind of like it. It's a little big on my waist, but not huge. I like it, but I think my hips doesn't fit on it properly. Like you can see how this area is kind of like super tight here, and my butt, it looks sweet on it, like very tight. I know a lot of these kind of skirts looks like that, but I don't think that's a look that I'm going for. Another shirt. This shirt, I don't really like this kind of trims that I never know where to put in front and the back, and it looks huge. I'm not so sure if this is gonna fit me. It has a little detail in the bottom, But let me see, this is by which brand? This is by Free People again. Wow, they're getting more fancy now. This is a very good brand. I mean, at least I like it. I don't like this. This is too big. Isn't it this too big? I'm not making this up. I think it's big. It's size medium only. But I mean, Free People tends to be very, very big and baggy. But this is just too big. I don't appreciate this. The last items are white jeans, and I've been wanting white jeans since forever, but it's really hard for me to find jeans, and especially in this color. So these ones are very pretty. They look a little bit too big for me. I mean, I don't think this is gonna fit me, just not because the cut that it has or anything, because it looks very, very high waist, and that's exactly what I'm always looking for, because I have a very high butt, as I explained you before. This is by the brand KUT, Cut, from the cloth, high-waist skinny ankle jeans, and the ankles have a little detail too. It had this little cut in the front, which it looks very cute. So I'm gonna be trying all of these products, and I'm gonna let you know my last verdict. Alright guys, these are the jeans, and they fit me pretty good all together. I'm back. I survived. Alright guys, let's now go through the prices and see how much all these things are. The white jeans are $89, and I wore them for like 5 minutes. I'm not kidding. Then they start bagging on me, so I'm not keeping them, but they're $89. I think the quality is amazing. This is a size 12. I need to go there and make my sizes a little smaller, because I noticed the jeans are too big for me, size 12. This blouse is $58, and I don't know, but this might be worth it. I'm not so sure. I mean, I definitely didn't like the way it looked. Maybe putting a belt in the middle make it look better, but I particularly didn't like this one. Really like the skirt, but unfortunately it didn't fit me. My body type, my body shape is not very friendly with these deep materials. For skirts, my skirts most likely need to be very flowy to be able to better be with my body. This is more for like a skinnier girl or less curvy girl, let's call it like that. This is $60. The price of this is $60, and this is I'm so disappointed, because I kind of like wanted to keep this after I wear it for a little bit. I wear it like for, I don't know, 5 minutes again when I was wearing the white jeans, and I kind of like liked it afterwards, and I thought it was super soft and super nice. But I don't think this material, I know it's Free People, but I don't think this material is worth $54. I'm so sorry. I don't think this is gonna work for me, because it's just too expensive. I don't think I'm going to use it that often, because I will have to wear something appropriate down of it. Maybe a like a nice bra or something that it looks cute to the eye and it covers, because a lot of them are cute but they don't cover, so I don't want to be exposed. And might be the winner of this box, the bag. The bag is $48. I will be killing for it if it was like $38 or $30, which is more the way it looks like to be worth. I think that's more appropriate price for this, but this is $48, and it's a pretty bag. I kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie, but at the same time I am not in love with it. I just think it's pretty. So that keeps the total of this box of $309. If you will keep everything with a $25 discount, will be the discount will be $77.25, and the styling free credit that I already paid for was $20. So the total of this box, if I keep everything, which I'm not, will be $211.75. So let me see the instruction how to return this. I am going to keep one item and only one item again, and I'm so sorry, but this just doesn't work for me at this time, at this point of time. I found the pieces very pretty, but some of them just don't fit me properly, and some of them are just not quite good for my body shape. The only one that I'm kind of like, I want it, but I don't want to pay $54 for you is this little guy here. I think I need to use another product to be able to use it comfortably. That's why I'm not keeping it. So the winner of this box for me is this, and it's so funny that I'm keeping the bag because the last video that I make about bags, it was about subscription bag. Anyway, this is not a subscription bag, but they added a bag, and that was the only thing that I'm keeping from this. I really like it. I think it's diversifiable, very cute. I like that it's only one color and the silverware is gold. I actually gonna pass this on for a Mother's Day present. This is just perfect timing for this, so I'm gonna be passing this on somebody that I love very much. I'm not gonna say her name because she's gonna notice it right away, or if I say a little bit, I wanted her to get a nice surprise for her Mother's Day. This will be the first time I give her anything, so she's basically gonna be in love with it. She's a really good person and very important for me, so I'm gonna send her this. And wow, I think this is a great gift, don't you? If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Put down below in the description box any product that you like on FabFitFun, anything that you're using from them, or what do you think about their service. Also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.